New spot today, guys. I'm gonna give it a go. See if we can get any fish on the board. I'm gonna cast near this drain, I reckon. Hopefully not get snagged. Yeah, I'm snagged on something. The big branch. Dang it. You reckon that'd be Jackson here?
Oh, for sure.
Now I've got to try and figure out how to cast without messing up here.
What have you got?
Hopefully. I want to get it like across the other side nearly. Freaking hell. A little bit better. Freaking hell. Oh, yep. Oh, I dropped it. Yep. I just felt a donk and then I dropped it. Damn it. I'm going to cast there again. Well, I think that was a flathead, that. Yeah. Damn. Can't believe I dropped it. Another clearance here? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a crab pot there. I'm not going to risk that. There, I can't use sinking lure. I'm gonna move up a little bit. A little bit hard to cast because there's so much stuff. Yeah, oh, missed it. Again. Challenge though. It's a good challenge, but freaking hell, it's hard to get cast in. It's probably going to be hard to land a fish. Oh, I got one. There we go. On the drop. Stay on, please. Oh, yes. Come on. What is it? A flatty? It's coming in like a flathead. Yeah, it's the flathead. There we go. Finally. Don't shake the hook, mate. Not now. I worked hard for you. Very hard for you. There we go. That's a good flathead. Yeah, that's a good flathead. There you go, guys. First fish. Bloody. Not a bad one too. I'm pretty happy with that. We'll get him on back and see if we can get some more. Good little flathead. I thought I was snagged when he hit it. Flathead in the creek. You go, mate. Yep, there we go, on. Just wound into that, so I don't know how good he's on. It's a flathead. Another flatty, yes, number 2. I knew there'd have to be something there. There he is, guys. Flathead number 2. Little guy, but still, get the hook on out. He was hooked pretty well. There we go. There he is. Little guy. Get him on back. Alright guys, we're at the next spot. I've never had any luck at this spot at all. Like nothing at this spot. Like this whole area, not just here, but there's another area up that way. I've never had any luck catching anything, not even bites or follows. So I don't know why, but I can never seem to get a fish in this area. I haven't been here in a long time, so we'll see what happens. I'll be very surprised if I catch something, because it'll be my first fish here. Usually there's nothing here for me. Yep. Oh, I saw him eat it at my feet. Yeah, flathead. I saw him eat that at my feet. Holy crap. I saw him following it, and I paused it for long, and he finally took it. Yes! Another flathead, guys, in the spot I've never caught a fish before. I saw him eat that. I was like, what the hell? He's hooked pretty well, so... Oh, you're alright, mate. You're alright. Oh, you just cut me everywhere.
You what?
You just cut me everywhere.
Yeah, that's what the cow is for.
Ah, you bugger. Well, we got another flathead at least. There he is, guys. Little flatty. Get him on back. There you go, mate. I didn't expect that, eh?
Yeah.
I saw something following it. I'm like, you know what? I think that's a flathead. I'm gonna jig it a bit more and then let it sit. He ate it like right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm surprised he didn't get spooked or anything. That's crazy. Nothing followed that one up. Let's move up. There'd be bream here. Next to this rock wall, there'd have to be. There'd be bream here. Just got to get him to bite. Oh. Don't know if I missed one or if that was a snag. I used to get snagged here all the time when I used to come here and lose all my gear and everything, but I'm doing all right so far. Oh, well, that was a hit. That was a tap. Oh, again. Take it, buddy. Yep. Oh, again. That one was a fish. Let's do that again. Need to get him to eat. If he wants it, he's got to eat it properly. Just giving it little... He's on it again. Something's there. I tapped it again. They're either a little bream or a little toadfish maybe. I don't know though, but he's hitting it. Yep, there we go. Got him. Stay on, buddy. We got a little bream. Yep. Little bream. I knew it would have to be something there, and then we got one. There he is, guys. Little baby bream. Unhook you, mate, and I'll let you on go. There you go, he's off. Yeah, mate. 14% battery left on the camera, guys, so once it runs out, that'll be it of the session. Oh, there we go. On. Finally. What do we got? Got some weight. Is it a flathead? Is it a flathead? Or is it a nice bream? Yeah, it's a bream. It's not giving up. There's a bream. Nice. I got one. A bream. Yep. There we go. Brimby. A whole Brimson. Here he is, guys. Nice brim on the plastic. He took it pretty hard, which is a cool little fight. Good little brim. We'll get him on back. The battery is gonna die in like probably 5 minutes. So yeah, this is probably the last fish of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cracking session once again. You! Alright, hook's out. Good mate.